Hello students, welcome to my channel PMC Modern Classes. Today we are going to discuss about gravitation chapter. Okay, in this gravitation chapter, if any body is moving vertically upwards, if any body is thrown vertically upwards to reach maximum height, then the final velocity of the body is decreases up to zero. If any body is thrown up vertically upwards to reach maximum height, then the velocity of the final velocity of the body is decreases up to zero. Then so what will changes, students? What will changes? The body so come down, finally reach ground surface. So because in this freely falling, the body is freely falling certain height h. So one force is exerted by the body. That force is called a gravitational force. That decreases up to zero. After that, the body falls down. So because one force attracted by the object falls down, because the one force attracted by the object, that force is called gravitational force. Okay, that force is called gravitational force. If any body is vertically thrown up to reach the maximum height, then the final velocity of the body is decreases up to zero. After that, the body falls down because the one force attracted by the object, that force is called gravitational force. In this gravitational force is always acting vertically downwards. Gravitational force is always acts vertically downwards. Okay, so vertically downwards. Okay, this is the introduction for this gravitation chapter. So next the next concept, universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Okay, in this gravitational force, the gravitational force is an attractive force. It is depend upon the 2-point masses. For example, so let us consider, take two different bodies A and B, 2-point masses A and B. The masses are m1, m2 respectively. m1, m2 respectively. The distance between these two bodies, these 2-point bodies, D, or small letter r, small letter all objects attracts all other objects, attract all other object. The statement for universal law of gravitation is, but this gravitational force is always okay students, the statement of universal law of gravitation, the force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of 2-point masses and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the 2-point masses. Okay, according to universal law of gravitation, according to the concept, F is directly proportional to m1, m2 is taken as equation number 1, and F is inversely proportional to r square, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get F is proportional to m1, m2 by r square. Therefore, F is equal to G into m1, m2 by r square. Okay, this is the formula for universal gravitational law. Here G is the universal gravitational constant. And G value 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. F is equal to G into m1 m2 by r square. Therefore G is equal to Fr square, so divided by m1 m2. If F is equal to 1 Newton, and R is equal to 1 meter, and m1 is equal to m2, that is equal to m, and m is the mass of the body. If F is equal to 1 Newton, R is equal to 1 meter, and m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m, the mass of the body or mass of the earth. Mass of the earth value 6 into 10 power 24 kg, and R is equal to 1 meter. otherwise r is equal to the radius of the earth. The radius of the earth 6400 kilometer, that is equal to 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Okay, these two values substituted in this gravitational formula, then we will get G is equal to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the universal gravitational law. So what is the importance of universal law of gravitation? Importance. Okay, in this universal law of gravitation, the universal law of gravitation successfully explained several phenomena which are believed to be unconnected. First one, the force that binds us to the earth. And the second one, the motion of the moon around the earth. The motion of the planet around the sun. The tides due to the moon and the sun. Okay, these are the importance of these 4 points are very important for the universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Thank you, students.